The barbell power clean and press is an excellent total body exercise that targets every muscle in the body, especially the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and shoulders. To get started, with the barbell on the floor, position your stance hip width apart with your shins touching the bar. To get into the starting position, bend over by pushing your hips back, bend your knees, then grab the bar with an overhand grip just outside your legs. Your shoulders should be over the bar while maintaining a neutral neck and a strong flat back. To begin the power clean, contract your lats, press your feet into the floor, and explosively extend your hips and knees to lift the bar off the ground. Once the bar rises to the knees, explosively shrug your shoulders while keeping the bar close to the body. As the bar reaches your mid-thigh, allow it to bump your thighs as you jump upwards to extend your body as you raise the bar to your shoulders. With your elbows pointing slightly out, pull your body under the bar as you bend your knees into a partial squat and catch the bar in the front rack position on your shoulders. Immediately extend your legs back to standing while pressing the barbell over your head. Under control, lower the barbell back to your shoulders, then back down to the front of your thighs, then back to the floor. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.